I'll give you a shot of our hood painted there. Probably won't see it much more after this. So I thought I'd get a shot. A couple guys wanted to see it finished. There's our bumper. I'm sorry about that bumper video. I started with the camera low enough for you to see that, and it somehow adjusted towards the hood. So there we go. We'll give that a little buff with some 2000 in the wheel, probably in the morning, and we'll send it. Which came out pretty nice. Pretty good indeed. Good enough to put it on the lot and let it go for sure. So, bumper came out nice. I put a little retarder in the last coat of clear. Now that it's got hot, I've been putting about a cap of that in, and it lets the stuff blow out much better. So, if you haven't tried retarder, pick some out, pick some up and give it a try. Especially if you're in a hot area, it really makes a big difference on the way the hood lays out. Full everything. I just put it in the last coat and sort of just turn the pressure up a little bit and let it flow. But there we go. Until the next one, we'll get Haley's car in here next and get some stuff done on it. I got the fender and door for it. Got to repair the cover and get that one going so she can be driving. So that's coming up next.